Hello and welcome to the English 360 screencast tutorial on creating events. If you're using this online platform for online training or blended learning, you'll find some of the event and calendar functions and features very useful. So a lot of people will be using the platform alongside face-to-face lessons. So what we've done is we've created a calendar that allows you to keep track of lessons, to create new events and invite your learners to those events and associate content with the event. From your Organize tab, you can go to your calendar to see what's happening this week. But let's just take a step back to make sure that the events that you schedule are at the right time. First thing you need to do is to go to your profile, click on your name, and edit your profile so that the time zone that has been selected for your profile is the correct one for where you are currently based. Also ensure that learners do this so that the events that you schedule will be for the same time, for the correct time for your learners. Sometimes we suggest actually setting up a pre-course task which encourages learners to upload a photo and add a description to their profile and reminds them to set the time zone. So once you've done that, go to the course for which you would like to set up some events and make sure from the course information area that attendance has been enabled. So that's this button here. Make sure you select attendance and that then you save this course setting. Once that course setting has been saved, you'll notice that you have an Events tab appear. If you would prefer to change the name of this Events tab, you can, again by going to the spanner icon and going to Navigation Settings, and instead of calling it Events, you can click here and you can call it Lessons or Face-to-Face Sessions. For the moment, I'll leave it at the default Events label. So click on the tab, and here you can create a new event by clicking on the Create a New Event button. I'm going to just call this face-to-face lesson, and then I'm going to schedule it for room 123, and the event is going to be for the 16th, and it's going to start at 1600 hours and finish at 5 p.m. there. I'm also going to send my students a message saying, hope you enjoy the listening and look forward to hearing your comments tomorrow, to show that this is a special exercise that they're going to do before our lesson tomorrow. And I'm going to then associate that with the listening activity from the week 1 folder, and I'm going to add that association, and then I'm going to save the event. So now I have a new event upcoming, and I also have an event that I had created for a few days ago that I can report attendance on. We can report attendance from the Events tab or all teachers from their dashboard. If I just go back to the dashboard, at the bottom of your dashboard you will also have a report attendance area for all the different classes that you're working with. So for example, for the first lesson there, I can report attendance and let me say that yes, both learners were present, and therefore I can update the attendance report, and that will then show on the student's progress when I go to their course and click on the progress link and then click on the attendance area. I'll be able to see that by event, for example, for that first lesson there we had 2 members, so 100% attended that, and if I need to look at the member attendance, I can also see who attended which classes. So we hope that helps you keep track of what's going on in your face-to-face sessions, and we hope you enjoy using the calendar and